Hi, I am Patrick, and this is a little video to kind of explain a little the process to set up my coffee page and start a series of tutorial that I'm planning to do. So first things, I just listed some tasks that I need to do before starting. And when you start this type of projects, it's very clear that for each tutorial you're gonna need some kind of like a title screen and credit screen. If you get supporters, uh, you need to list them on the ends of each tutorial, maybe a sponsor. Because this I choose not do After Effects template that's common, and build a little tools using Unity and not spend so much time opening After Effects, editing this templates, putting texts. So I'm gonna quickly show you how this my lazy tool works. So basically, I have a data folder on the build that have like the credits and the feature images. So as also like a feature template that I can edit in Photoshop, and the feature image that's gonna be loaded on Unity. Also my credit list, so I can just edit a text file, and the system will basically read all these informations. So let's launch the application, and I can show you. This is the magnificent design that I did for the main screen. Uh, Here I can pick like a generate title or generate credits. Let's start with the title. On the top we have like some logos that I can so I can say, okay, this tutorial is about Unity, Amplify shaders and Houdini. Have space on the bottom to kind of like a sponsored content, like Amplify paid me to kind of do some cool shader tutorial. We're gonna show up the logo here. It's not the case, but let's skip. Here I have like a frame exporter. I can, if I keep this checkbox, they're gonna export a frame sequence in PNG, or I can just check and record using OBS or something like this. So we can kind of like type the title here, super title. Shaders, short descriptions, amplify shader tutorial, making flames, whatever. So this is kind of like the preview. It's how it's gonna be. As soon as I press record, they're gonna put a black screen with a hold and then start the animation. So yeah, simple, easy, you know. Can return to the main screen and let's go to the credits. So credits, same things on logos, let's say Unity and Houdini or Houdini engine. You like happy, whoop, Hallowen. I think it's this way. That's right. Not sure. I'm not an English native speaker, so forgive me. 9,200, so I can check if everything's gonna scroll from the entire length. Okay, I'm gonna keep the frame export just to show it's gonna export the sequence. Record, this don't have fancy intro, it's just the screen. So now start exporting the frames. You can see the little hiccups that's happening. It's kind of like it's the task, generate the frames and exporting. So if I come here, you can see the sequence. if I want to export something with alpha and out this process to do something on post processing, that's kind of like it. This is the place. So let's just do again. We out this. So hundreds. Let's keep everything there. And oops. And play. So you can see all the scroll, all the threads scrolling. Nice. So the main thing is like take me a weekend to do this tools, but we're gonna remove a lot of wasting time doing titles and credit string. This is the more important, have time to focus on the creative and fun stuff and put the boring stuff in automated way. So hope you guys like it and pay me a visit on coffee because I'm gonna put the content first there. So that's it. See you guys later. Thank you so much. Cheers.